Hello, I'm Dr. Atul Patil, Director, School of Holistic Development at MIT Art, Design and Technology University. What makes MIT ADT University unique and different from other universities is its unique approach through the School of Holistic Development, which imparts life skills and training which is based on value education. The School of Holistic Development's philosophy matches with the philosophy of MIT and functions under the able leadership and guidance and vision of our Honorable Executive President and Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Mangesh T. Karad sir. SHD proves to be like a home away from home for all the students who take admission to various courses at the university. Right from the students enter the campus till the time they get placed and receive their graduating degrees, SHD has an intervention in every year. Through SHD, we help students become confident in speaking and also meet the requirements of this global, challenging, cutthroat, competitive world. Through SHD, we ensure that we are able to make winning personalities and global professionals who also are able to contribute to the growth of the society when they graduate and move out for their further journey. When students enter the campus in the first year, we conduct a mapping test in English and holistic personality for all of them, which helps us determine their level of proficiency, and accordingly we chalk out our plan for courses in English and communication skills as well as holistic personality program. In first year, we also compulsorily make our students undergo health practices course in which we conduct sessions on yoga, meditation, aerobics and so on. As they move from first year to second year, during the vacation period, we organize Langbridge courses as well as Mitram, which is MIT Remedial Academic Mentoring Program, to help them bridge the gaps, if any, and meet the requirements of the academic as well as professional world. When they go to their second year of their respective courses, students are given exposure to creative and performing arts, in which again they have ample choices of selecting different courses as per their choice and interest. In second year, we also provide them exposure for societal immersion, spirituality and morality. When students move from the second year to third year, again during vacation we have similar intervention, and in third year we provide them linguistic competence in foreign languages like French, German, Japanese and Spanish. In a nutshell, through SHD, we ensure that our students are physically fit, emotionally strong, morally alert and spiritually elevated. Through SHD, we always try to provide them maximum exposure to different skill sets that they can practice and they can develop themselves into winning personalities. Thank you.